Lecture 8.2 Working with MS Word Text. Let's get wordy! Hey word wizards! Today, we're learning how to make our writing look awesome in Microsoft Word. We learned about text formatting, which is like giving your words a makeover. After learning this lecture, students will be able to understand text formatting, change font style, size, and color, format the text like bold, italic, font size, underline. Text versus font. Imagine your words as characters in a story. The words themselves are the text, but the font is how they look. It's like choosing cool clothes for your words. Formatting text. Formatting is like giving your words a makeover. We can change things like the font, the size, the color, and use bold, italics, and underline to make them stand out. Character formatting. Think of character formatting as giving your words superpowers. We can make them bold, like shouting, italicized, like a secret message, or underlined, like a treasure map. Font size. Changing the font size is like adjusting the volume on your TV. You can make your words bigger or smaller. Use the numbers or the shrink and grow buttons. Font style. Choosing a font style is like picking the right outfit for your words. There are tons of fonts to choose from. Scroll through the list and hover over them to see a preview. Change font colors. Let's add some color. You can change the color of your text to make it pop. Select the text and choose a color from the palette. Clear formatting. Sometimes, we go overboard with formatting. The Clear Formatting button or Ctrl plus Spacebar helps us reset our text and start fresh. Bold text. Bold text makes your words look stronger, like shouting them out. Select the text and click Bold or press Ctrl plus B. Italic text. Italic text looks like it's leaning to the side, like a whisper. Select the text and click Italic or press Ctrl plus I. Underline text. Underline text puts a line under your words, drawing attention to them. Select the text and click Underline or press Ctrl plus U. Text case. Text case lets us change how the letters are written. We can make them all uppercase, all lowercase, or even capitalize each word. Highlight text. Highlighting is like putting a colorful spotlight on your words. Select the text and choose a color from the highlighter palette. Text alignment. text alignment is like arranging your words in a line. You can align them to the left, right, center, or even justify them across the page. Now you know how to format your text like a pro. Have fun making your writing look amazing.